Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're gonna do is go down there, try to get our boat out from another video. Remember last video? We are gonna try to get this boat better this time. Get this boat out this time. So let's go there. Pause it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna warp there. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa. Okay, we made it here. That warp was really fun. Oh my gosh, that was really fun. Let's start a time lapse of us getting this boat out. Our boat. What at the boat? We got it out of the water. So I want to see if we could drive it. I would put it into the water and row it. Let's go. So now let's put the boat into the water. So now that we got the boat out, we could do it in our little pond. We're trying to get our cat in right now. Yeah, carry it.
I can't. It's just gonna run away and carries it.
Okay, ready?
If he sees the water, he's gonna be like, oh!
Okay, Isaiah, and as soon as you put it in, I need you to just... Okay, I'm going. Okay, you want to get in?
No.
Push it, please. Not hard, not hard.
Push it in so I can put the cat in. Yeah.
Oh, this is tough.
Yeah. You can say that twice.
This is tough.
Oh, no, you can say that again. Oh, you're in the water.
Here, we're going right here.
Put it back. Are you time lapsing it?
This is my little boat.
No.
This is my boat.
No,
Not
it's not.
yours, mine.
Okay, if you're the captain of this ship and you'll have a hole, will you go down with it?
Yeah, I know. That's funny.
That's what I thought. Sweet victory.
We're going about
50 miles an hour.
No, we're going about
50
1 mile per hour.
And then we're gonna stop.
No.
He's backing up. He's backing up.
Here, this is the boat where I'll do some fishy stuff.
I doubt it. We only have one, and we don't know where the other one is. See that stuff back there? That's where our fort's gonna be. Behind Hunter.
Right over there.
Yep. Let's jump on it.
Okay, you ready?
And down here, we used to have cows, and they dookied in it.
Yeah. That's why
That's
we don't
why
want
we
to
don't.
go into this water.
Yeah. We don't let our boots do.
No, then get it.
Our boots do 1, 2. If they're leather, Jane, just take it out. Mine's leather. Oh.
No, let's come on. Hey, how would you guys come on? Your viewers. Come on, let's go.
Okay, just go on, Jane. Yeah, I'm just recording.
Okay, so here, hey, thanks for coming on, viewers. Thanks for coming on the Hunter's Fishing Boat.
No, it's Hunter's. This has become your Titanic. This is the second version of the Titanic that is going to crash. HPT, Hunter's passenger Titanic. Oh, look, the cat's following us. Oh,
Okay, here we're about to dock the boat.
yeah,
Right over here.
Good. We just went across the whole lake in like 5 minutes.
No, we did it in about like 1 hour. This is a big, big lake, Isaiah.
Okay.
Look how big it is. We can see across from it.
So realistic.
I know.
So realistic. We're gonna crash.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay, get off, guys.
Are you mate?
Okay,
Mate of fate. And
bye, viewers. We are gonna be taking out the boat so that whenever it rains,
it doesn't get like all flooded, and so we don't have to do this again.
yeah, and it won't get stuck in the water. Okay, ready? After you guys watch that segment. Let's warp to our tractor storage. Where the tractor's not there right now, but let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we are at the barn. Let's go back to my personal recorder that I have. Our personal videographer, and so we could get better angles. Oh, here is Ginger.
Lightning.
Ginger!
Lightning.
Hey guys, vote up in the comment what this name should be. He says Lightning, I say Ginger. Vote up in the comments now.
He just liked me. I thought it was a bite.
Okay, let's go try. Oh, sorry. Now, let's go do. Let's go see our tractor farm, our barn, where we put all of our stuff.
Tractor's butt.
Okay, so here we have, over here, we have our seeder, where we can put seeds in there, and we put it on our tractor, and it spins and spreads the seeds.
There's a wasp nest.
Hey, you recording still? There's a wasp nest over there. Okay, let's go.
This is where I found the paddle right here.
Yeah, this is where we found. This is over in this area. We found the boat, and
We found the
we
paddle.
found the paddle for it.
I found the paddle.
He found the paddle.
Maybe we can find the other one already. Yeah.
I think this is for whenever, you know how they spread the seeds and the seeds go into the pile, and you get what I'm talking about? That's what that is for. The hay bales. I will show you another part where that our hay bales are in another episode.
Maybe we should make like a cat course for it. Parkour.
Okay, now here's another part for it. I think this is for the front, this is for the back. This right here.
Oh yeah.
Basically, you can carry 2 on one tractor. And
Yeah, that's where you like, it's a hoe for the tractor, for the farm.
okay,
So you can,
What were
so
you
saying? And then put seeds in.
What were you let's saying? Go back.
To the back porch.
Let's go to the back porch. It's fine. I can just quiet the music. I just quiet it down. So here is a video of our pond, where just how long it is. I don't know how long it is though, but I say go grab that bowl that we used right there, and that is for I think the deer, where the deer can hide out or get you can feed them. But Isaiah, do you know where Dad's Huntington is? Okay, you still recording? Yeah. Okay, and right over there is our deer feeder. Oh, yeah, so let's get back to the pond.
It's like 500 feet by 200 by 50 feet.
Okay, that is our video of our pond. Let's go back to the house now. That was such a long walk up there, but for you it was about 15 seconds or so. But here's our dog Bevo, the Bevo Longhorns. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day and subscribe and like for more. Thank you. Dope.